Greece is home to some of the world's most picturesque dining spots, where every meal feels like a feast for the eyes. We spent a week in Greece, so come along with me to explore some of the prettiest restaurants with the most jaw-dropping cliffsides in Santorini. Good morning from Santorini. It is my first full day here in Santorini and in Greece. We just woke up and oh my gosh, the views are absolutely stunning. It's just beautiful views all around. We just ordered some, breakfast because we get complimentary breakfast here at the Cocoon Suite, and we're just really enjoying our stay so far. This leg of the trip is going to be really relaxing. That's something that I promised to Kevin. So we don't really have any set schedule. We're really just kind of going with the flow. Probably going to ask for some recommendations on activities to do some sightseeing and just walking around the area and eating a lot of good food at beautiful restaurants. So I'm going to show you exactly all the really cool spots we're going to go to that is very aesthetic. It's got all the views and hopefully also has really good food. But first, let me show you a tour of our room. It's really cool. We're staying in a cave and it's awesome. So yeah, this is our room for the week. It's a really cool cave style, and I'm all about the really unique and, beautiful spaces. So I really, really like this. It's so bright, so my aesthetic, boho, and just so nice and clean and so unique. There's the bed right here, and they've got these really cool stylized lamps, and there's also this little door you go into, and this is the bathroom. So you'll go inside, and you got the toilet, got one sink, the mirror, and some storage down here you can put your stuff in, and this is the shower. So this is where we'll be staying. And then we also have a really cool outside that I'll show you guys. So the outside has a pool too. So this right here is our heated jet tub, and I'm so excited to use it later. It's so nice because look at that view in front of us. This is insane. There's just views everywhere, all over. I don't even know where to look. It's so beautiful. But I'm excited to hang out here, take a walk around the town, and get some. The wind cut the noise, but what I was trying to say was that our hotel came with welcome drinks and complimentary breakfast every day, so we took full advantage of it. The food was actually pretty good. We ordered with our eyes. I really enjoyed my avocado toast and pancakes. We ordered avocado toast with some fried egg. We also got eggs with ham, an omelet, pancakes, and some Greek yogurt with some fruit and some coffee cappuccino. So we're gonna have that for breakfast. Also, can we talk about this marble? So Kevin and I are looking at a bunch of marbles for our home in the future, and we want to make an island table, and we're trying to figure out what material to use. So I've been looking at all the different types of rocks, and I am loving this style of table. So I'm taking this as inspiration for our future kitchen island table. How do you like it so far, Kev?
Good. Very good.
What are you eating?
I'm eating toast with scrambled eggs and prosciutto.
Ooh, yum. We finished eating the rest of our breakfast and then went to walk around the town to explore the area. The stairs here are no joke. I'm so glad there was wind because it was getting really hot. But we stopped by a random rooftop spot to take a break and have some drinks with some Greek salad, because why not? All right, we just finished going in the pool and swimming, and now we have reservations for sunset at this beautiful restaurant called Kaliya. It's supposed to have really great sunset views, so Kevin and I are gonna walk over there right now. It's gonna be a 30-minute walk, but it'll be really nice. We're gonna burn off some calories before we eat some good food. Kaliya was located in a town called Fira, which was a 30-minute walk away, and it was a cute, bustling little area. Kaliya had this amazing wallflower entrance with super good Greek and global international dishes. We had amazing A5 Wagyu and this also very delicious tuna tartare dish. It was really good. It was actually an aesthetic spot with delicious food, which is really hard to come by. are ready. I'm going to be wearing a very casual fit today. We're going to go into the town of Oya, or Iya, however you pronounce it. But it's supposed to be a very popular town known for like the blue rooftop churches. And I think there's supposed to be more like liveliness. There's more people there. So I'm excited to walk around. We're gonna have some really good seafood that was recommended to us by one of our friends. And probably catch the sunset there. So excited to try and explore another place of Santorini. We took a bus over to Iya and walked around the streets, stopped by this popular gyro spot for lunch, and it was so good, especially their pork gyros. Then my sister invited us over to her honeymoon suite, which sounds kind of odd, but they actually wanted us to see their nice spot, and it ended up being a super fun time. We hung out, and they actually ended up crashing our dinner and came along with us to this oceanside seafood spot for sunset. If you're a seafood lover, you'll love Ammoudi Fish Tavern. This spot was highly reviewed and recommended to us. They've got lobster, fish, octopus, you name it. We shared a lobster pasta and seafood platter, and it was super tasty. My only complaint was that this restaurant was at the bottom of some steep steps, so you definitely needed to work for it. But it was pretty worth it. How is it so far?
Potato. Really good.
Oh man. Good? You love it, Kevin?
Very good.
It's our best carrots of my life.
Where are you from, guys?
California.
Oh my God, you know how to party, huh?
You know how to party.
California. I've never been there.
Good morning. It is our last full day in Greece, and I gotta show you the beautiful weather. Or not so beautiful. It's actually raining outside right now. It's pouring randomly. And so we're just kind of trying to take cover right now. But it is kind of nice because it is forcing me to slow down, which is something I haven't been doing a lot this trip. And so we've just been able to relax and enjoy our hotel, which is really, really nice. We actually got massages this morning, which is great. It was so beautiful. We had it in the center of our living room area with the window open and the door open with the air coming in. And it was just great just to get a massage and relax. I have some marks on my head still from it, but it was definitely something that I didn't know that I needed, but I definitely needed. Yesterday we ate at a really delicious seafood place. It's called Ammoudi Tavern, and it was right on the water, and we were there at sunset, and this was a place that's super popular that we heard great things about, and we splurged a little bit. We ordered a seafood platter with lobster pasta, and everything was really good. I don't think it was worth how much we paid for it because we definitely splurged a lot, but it was definitely good. I would say I loved the shrimp, and I liked the octopus, which is really good. But today is going to be our last day, and so I want to go back to Oya, and I want to be able to try the Euro place that we had yesterday. It was so good that I want to come back again for a second one. And then tonight we actually have dinner plans at this really beautiful sunset rooftop restaurant area, and so I'm hoping the rain clears by then, but it would be beautiful. It'll be our last dinner in Greece, and I can't wait to show you. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for the rain to die a little bit. It's supposed to die around 2 p.m. and then we're gonna explore Fira and kind of walk around the town until our dinner tonight. After dinner now, this is Kevin's final fit. Ooh, show them the outfit. Looking good, Kev. All right, we're heading out to dinner right now. We're gonna go to this really nice sunset place in Fira, and this is the fit. Let's go. We spent our last dinner at a restaurant called Barolo, soaking up the last of our sunset views, sitting right up front at the caldera view. It was super serene. So glad we had reservations here. We loved the sea bass fish and truffle risotto we got. It was the best type of dinner for our last night. So Kevin and I just got back from our dinner, went to Barolo in Fira, and it was a really aesthetic, super cute place right along the cliff. It was totally my aesthetic, and so beautiful that you think that the food wouldn't be that great. but it actually turned out to be really, really good. Kevin and I both ordered the sea bass, which is the catch of the day, and this delicious truffle risotto and also mashed potatoes, and they were all a hit. We loved them both. We finished our entire plate, and so I was very, very surprised by that in a very good way, because I was just expecting, oh, it's probably gonna be like okay food, especially since it's such a cute place, but it ended up being really good. The only thing about that restaurant was that their online system kind of screwed us up a little bit. We reserved online in advance to get specific seating because I'm very particular about my views, and so we had reserved terrace seating, and when we got there they said that that wasn't available for us because apparently their online system doesn't match like real life, and it actually tells you that there's more seating available than there actually is. So they were going to squeeze us into a corner, and I wasn't okay with it, and luckily we were able to find like a spot, one of the last spots on the upper terrace area. It wasn't right in front of like the glass, but it was close enough so I was still able to see the views. But I was a little bit disappointed with that in the service. But it's okay because the food made up for it, and we ended up being able to be sitting at like a nice area. So I was happy with that. But it's the end of our trip. It's crazy. It went by so fast. I thought I'd have so much time in Greece, but it just kind of like flew by. We have a really early flight tomorrow, and we have to go back home, but I'm actually kind of excited to go back home too and get into routine. So I thought I'd end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my food travels in Greece. Everything here is so aesthetic and actually quite delicious itself. So I'm very happy that I came here. And I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.